To begin, register and connect with a broker. The app works with all brokers. Select the strongest signals, paying attention to power and the heat map. They confirm the strength and accuracy of the signal. Before opening a position, determine your trade size. Click the Quick button on the signal. The terminal will open a position with the broker automatically. Receive unlimited signals on the most popular forex and crypto assets. Use dashboard indicators to analyze the current market. Predict price movements based on charts, trends, and news. Trade and analyze in one window with your broker. Create your own signal presets by asset groups and power. Select the indicators you need and customize dashboards. Arrange tools in the most convenient way. Ask our support team any questions. All tools are created by a team of professional developers and experienced traders. Receive signals on any device anywhere in the world. Try vfxAlert for free now.